Hey there. Let me share something that completely changed my perspective on making money. You know how most of us were taught to follow the traditional path. Go to school, get a job, work hard for 40+ years and hopefully retire comfortably? Well, I discovered that's not how the wealthy actually build their fortunes. Here's the truth. Trading time for money is like being stuck on a hamster wheel. No matter how fast you run, you're still limited by the hours in a day. But what if I told you there's a smarter way? A method that wealthy families have been using for generations to create lasting wealth. Think about it. Have you ever wondered why rich kids seem to get richer without working traditional jobs? It's because they understand something crucial: the power of multiple income streams. They don't put all their eggs in one basket, relying on a single paycheck. Let me break down what these multiple income streams actually look like. First, there's passive real estate income, either through property appreciation or rental payments. Then there's dividend investing, where your money works for you in the stock market. Digital products like online courses or ebooks can generate income while you sleep. But here's the game changer: business ownership. Whether it's a traditional business or an online venture, owning a system that generates money without your constant presence is key. Add to that affiliate marketing, royalties from intellectual property, and strategic partnerships. Suddenly you're looking at money flowing in from 7 different directions. The beauty of this method is that once you set these streams up, they require minimal maintenance. While you might be sleeping, your digital product is being purchased in Australia. While you're having dinner, your rental property is generating income. While you're on vacation, your investments are paying dividends. Now, I'm not saying it's easy to set up these income streams. It takes initial work and smart planning. But it's about working smart, not just hard. It's about building systems that generate wealth, not just trading hours for dollars. So ask yourself, are you ready to stop the time for money trade and start building multiple income streams? Because that's how real wealth is created, and it's accessible to anyone willing to learn and take action. The rich kid method isn't just for rich kids anymore. It's for anyone smart enough to implement it.